How's it going, everybody? This is Extreme Chevy bringing you a video on this truck. As you can tell, I now have the hood. I left you off, a second ago with explaining how I was going to clean underneath it, and I am all done. For a backyard build, not bad. We've got all the new rubber in there now. I completely sandblasted this really good and clean, and I painted it blue. I thought that would be pretty cool, so I painted that part blue. I got the kit with the new rubber and the new clips. Those are all in. I'm putting on the new rubbers right here, right now. I'm working on the other side, getting it all cleaned up and putting WD-40 and cleaning up the threads and all that stuff. I've got the new ones back here now on for the back. So this is all getting new rubber. I had the full kit for the pieces here that I got to clean. Right here, these are the braces. I got the full kit that goes under this, all that rubber, and the pieces that go up in, I think they're supposed to go up in here. But that's really thin right there. Unfortunately, guys, with this hood, this is the original one, and it sat off the truck for 8 years. It is a little warped, but it's overall pretty straight. Tell you what, I will close it and I will show you. Give you a shot of the engine. Still haven't got the rod that I need to flip the top of the air filter for. But that'll happen. And I just dropped my can of WD-40 all the way back there. But alright, let me shut this. There you go. Okay, it's not shutting all the way. Okay guys, give me a second. I didn't do it good enough. I will get this thing shut real quick. There we go. It shuts real good. It latches. The body lines aren't too bad. I just put the new rubber on this side. I got it off on the other side, but I might have to do a little bit more adjusting because it's not rushing right on down all the way. So I might have to tweak the hood just a little bit. But as far as it goes right now, it lines up pretty good. All the way down from this side over here. Comes back, it shuts. It's a good gap. All the way down. But this was really bad. I had to sand it down really good. There was a lot of surface rust, but I got it all completely off. And it's primed. But on this side, I think I just need to adjust the cowl here a little bit more. But as you can tell, the lines on the hood are good. And I'm happy with it. I know it's not perfect. It's a little, like I said, it's the original one. It's a little tweaked. It is a little low right up here. Just like kind of bows in a little bit, but there's no way I can get a new one. But I will try to work all that out to see if I can. I'll probably heat it up, see if I can get it to shrink and pull back up. Sometimes doing that will do that. But yeah, as you can tell, it's a little unlined right there. But that's mainly because of the cowl here. I need to work with that a little bit more. But the hood is on. Thing's starting to really look like a truck again. There you go. I gotta find out who's messing with my truck, because on my door here, if you see that, that's some kind of oil, and I have not put anything on it. Somebody's even coming out here putting stuff on it, and I don't know who. So I don't know if they're trying to ruin my truck or what. But yeah, there it is. That's the hood's on. Just maybe a little bit of tweaking, other than that, things are going good. It doesn't zoom out more than this. I wish it did. But I'm going to put this back on the tripod. And I'm going to do a little work on that corner over there. I'm going to raise up the hood. To do that real quick. Alright. Let me see. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing, so. Yeah. But I'm just cleaning up the area of where the new rubber goes to. And don't forget, when you guys are taking off the old stuff, it's a good thing to put WD-40 on all of it. Clean it really good. Not just on the screw. Spraying your WD-40 up in here really good. Make sure you got something covering right here. I got my pad. But, oh yeah. Okay, I'm just making sure you guys can see it real quick. Let me get my pad back over here. Because I don't want stuff leaking all over the truck. But, yep, that's the original screw. It's like new again. Cleaned it up really good. New rubber for the new, there we go. That's the new rubber for it. But right now, got it all cleaned up. So what I'm going to do is put a little something over the hole real quick. And just paint this real quick with some primer. Covering up everything I sanded down. Yeah, there it is. It's almost completely all gone. Yeah, I gotta put some right here in the bezel. There we go. Yep, this can is gone. Alright. Yep, that's all gone. So I'm gonna try and show me working on this stuff more often. But now it's ready for the new rubber piece. And where is my, oh, there's my screwdriver. I know it can be hard sometimes taking all this old stuff off, but if you're careful, use some WD-40, and when you try to take something off, try to tighten it a little bit more first. Spray some WD-40 on it, come back with a little bit, and just work it back and forth. As you're trying to take it off, screw it off a little bit more, then work it back and forth, and eventually it'll come off and you'll save your hardware instead of stripping it out or something like that. Because, you know, I've stripped a lot of these out myself. I know, it's crazy. But now I'll take that out and we'll put the new rubber piece on. There's a little lip on these that help it goes on straight, so don't worry, if you've done this before, you know what I'm talking about. There we go. So those are on. The next thing I'm going to do is the inside, the strips. I'm going to clean them up in the sandblaster and then install them, paint them, and then put them in. Alright guys, I'm installing the supports back in. they've been, like you said, you saw me sandblast them really good, cleaned them really good, and then I shot them with some Rust-Oleum black semi-gloss. That gives a little bit of a sheen into it. But now I'm going to put them on, and I'm using some new hardware. That way everything looks good. I still got the old hardware on the first one I put in. I'm going to replace those. But yeah, I kept the old ones in here. I could still clean. I could use the old ones if I wanted to. Just got to clean them up on the wire wheel. But I bought a whole bunch of new hardware for doing all this, so newer the better, right? Less longer. So put this first one in. Let's do it the right way. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's let that hang there. Get the other new one. Get it started at the back. Okay, and before we tighten it down, we want to put all the new padding in, which I got. You can get these either, the LMC has the kits for all this stuff. It's a great kit. It comes with 3 of these, but for the 66 it only needs 2 because we only have 2 braces. 63 and older, I believe it has the 3 braces in it. So you just take these, you put them in behind this, and they also give you 2 small ones. One's a fatter one, one's a skinnier one, and the skinnier ones go right up here, right up into here, where this brace is right here, up under the lip in there. That's where the small skinny one goes to on both sides, and then on the back side, in the corners here, you put the fatter ones, and it helps dampen the noise and everything, and it just really makes it much better for cutting down on the tinging. So let's go ahead and tighten these up. Now, Rich doesn't want to see more. Oh, okay, I think I see why. Yeah, make sure you have your socket set right. Make sure this is all in here evenly, and tighten all this down. I know this video is longer than I usually make, but I wanted to put a lot of stuff that I wanted you guys to see that I'm actually the one working on my truck, because I am the only one that's working on it. Like I've told you before, I've done everything myself. All the suspension upgrades, rebuilding, everything. All of it. Put the transmission and the engine back in. All new brake system. I've done everything myself. Kind of happy about it. Gives me a sense of accomplishment. So, but that's it right there. The underside of the hood is done. Everything is in, back in, like it's supposed to be. Braces with the padding. Yeah, make sure that's good and tight. And yeah, but that's it. It's all back in. And let's see how it sounds when I shut it. Oh, solid. That is so much better, guys. That is so much better. Yeah, I got all the new bumps on the back, on the front up here, the square ones on the lip, all new right here. This rubber's all new with the new clips. That's how it comes in the kit, right here. And yeah, if you just take your time, guys, you can have a really, really awesome looking truck. And I am doing mine mostly rat style, but like I've showed you before, all the major components, the operating stuff, the brake system, everything's all updated, brand new. The engine's the original, drivetrain's original, it's just been all rebuilt. But, and all the metal. except for the small patches that were made on the rockers and the front fenders. Other than that, that's it. But I need to adjust this real quick a little bit. The latch, I need to bring it this forward maybe about 1/8 of an inch, very slightly. So I'm going to do that while you guys are watching, because not many people show this part. You just loosen them all up a little slightly. Remember where it's at when you're loosening it, that way you know. Okay. I need to loosen it up a little more. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I noticed it's really rubbing too much on the inside. That's why I need to. You know what? I'm going to use a hammer very lightly on the back side of it to do that. Rubber mallet is preferred. That way you don't mess up your paint and stuff like that. So just about right there. Let's tighten that up. I think that's going to do it. I think that's going to be the final adjustment for the latch. Now let's just tighten all this down. Alright. Oh, much better. That sounded much better, guys. And yeah, better. Awesome. Yeah, that was the last time I needed to adjust that. Works great. Closes great. Opens up easily. But it latches. Alright. Yep. I think I'm going to cut it out right there, guys, for today. I actually need to work on the bike a little bit. My battery's dead, so I got to pull out the charger and put it on there and get it going. But thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope helping you guys or getting. I hope you guys are getting something out of it. For those of you, I know some of you guys have probably been building forever, and you just like to watch what other people are doing. But for those of you like me, got our own little projects at home, I'm just hoping I can help as I'm doing mine. And yeah, so you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you like what I'm doing, just give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already done that so far. And there's a lot of good channels out there. If you ever want to watch a good channel where the guy does a lot of metal work, check out Gibson 63. It's like the guitar Gibson 63. He's done 2 trucks. He's done his own truck. He did a truck for his father, and now he hasn't put up anything in a while, but he's working on I think it's a '59 Apache. Yeah, really nice, cool looking truck. But yeah, he's built 2 trucks so far, and he's working on another one now. But he does a lot of good metal work. That's one good channel to watch. So yeah, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. And that is it for the hood.